Welcome back, dear Vivekians, on the last session of Chapter 1, My Family and I. Yesterday, we studied about how do old people look like, what do they use generally, and how should children help the old people in their families. I hope you understood that very well and done your assignment also. Dear parents, we want to clear that the answers of chapter 1 may vary as students will write the answers according to their own family. So their responses may vary from others. This will help students to write in their own ideas as creative writing sharpens students' ability to express their thoughts clearly. It encourages them to think beyond the ordinary and to use their imagination to express their ideas of their own way. Let's start with Did You Know section. Put date on page number 12. An old age home is a place where many old people live together. Visit such a home with your parents and spend some time with the old people living there. Old people become very happy to meet young and lively children like you. Take some food and clothes for them and ask them about their well-being. Children, have you ever visited an old age home? Okay. Sometimes elderly family members do not live with their families. They live at a place called old age home. हम अपनी मदर लैंग्वेज में ओल्ड एज होम को वृद्धाश्रम कहते हैं. वृद्धाश्रम एक ऐसी जगह है जहाँ कई बुजुर्ग एक साथ रहते हैं. आप अपने परिवार के साथ यहाँ जाएं और वहाँ रहने वाले लोगों के साथ कुछ समय बिताएं. पता है, बुजुर्ग लोग आप जैसे बच्चों से मिलकर बहुत खुश हो जाते हैं. उनके लिए फूड और क्लोथ्स ले जाएं और उनसे उनका हाल भी पूछें. आप उनसे कब मिलने जाओगे? जब ये लॉकडाउन पीरियड ख़त्म हो जाएगा. ठीक है. Now come to the main topic, family customs. The objectives of today's topic: to learn about the different customs followed in families, to value the working of orphanages. First, we shall know what is the meaning of custom here. A custom is also called a tradition. It is something that many people do and have done for a long time. कुछ कस्टम्स हमारी फैमिली के मेंबर्स लंबे समय से करते आ रहे हैं. इन्हें रीति रिवाज भी हम कह सकते हैं. The elders in the family make these customs. Let's read the section Family Customs. Each family follows some customs. These customs are generally made by the elders of the family and are followed by everyone. Some customs are offering prayers after a bath, paying respect to elders by touching the feet, eating something sweet before an important event, eating food together at least once in a day. जैसे हम भी हमेशा नहाने के बाद भगवान को नमन करते हैं, बड़ों से आशीर्वाद लेते हैं और परिवार के साथ मिलकर खाना खाते हैं. There are some common customs of different families. Like we always touch the feet of our elders to take blessings from them. Namaste. The Namaste is one of the iconic gestures of India at festivals time. दादी और मम्मा मिलकर हर फेस्टिवल पर स्पेशल होममेड स्वीट्स बनाते हैं. there are more such customs which I would like to hear from you when we meet in the class. Okay? Dear ones, there is one more section left which is on page number 14. We Care section. Did you know that there are some children who do not have any family? They are called orphans. They live in a special home called an orphanage. They also need love and care as we need. You can visit any such orphanages near your home with your parents and spend time with the children living there. This will make them very happy. कुछ बच्चे हैं जिनका कोई परिवार नहीं होता है, उन्हें अनाथ कहा जाता है। वे अनाथालय जैसे स्पेशल घर में रहते हैं। उन्हें भी प्यार और देखभाल की ज़रूरत है। आप अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ उनसे मिलने जाएं और अपनी खुशी उनके साथ बांटें। You all know that even our school students visit such places under the guidance of their teachers. The children of God share their joys and emotions with us. Our Vivekians give them gifts for their use, which make them feel very special and happy. There are many things you can do to make the day memorable for them. Like you can celebrate your birthday with them. You can share your chocolates, biscuits and gifts with them. You can give your storybooks, notebook or coloring book and pens or pencils to them. You can play games like chess, football and cricket. Think, children, what else you can do to make them feel that they are not alone. They have a bigger family. Here our chapter ends. Before we wind up, let's see what we studied actually from the chapter My Family and I. We have understood the concept of family, the relationship between the family members and the roles played by them. Also, we have learned some behavioral traits from grandparents and parents. Along with this, how and why we celebrate different occasions with our extended family members. From all above, we came to know that family is very important because it provides unconditional love, support, and a framework of values to each of its members. Now, the home assignment of today is let's try 7 and this worksheet. Here I take a break and hope you will do your work very neatly wherever you are doing. Meet you soon, dear Vivekians. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.